Hi, my name is Leila Heidari, and I'm a sixth-year PhD student in the Department of Environmental Health and a fifth-year urban trainee. I'd like to share a bit about my internship project with the Union of Concerned Scientists. Before getting to that, I need to tell you a little bit about the community engaged research project that it's based on, um, which is the Chelsea and East Boston Heat Study, also known as Heat, which is a partnership between Chelsea-based grassroots environmental justice organization Green Roots and BU, funded by the Barr Foundation. And the aim is to build capacity for responding to heat in Chelsea and East Boston, which is important because these are some of the hottest communities in the greater Boston area, as you can see in this map from the Trust for Public Land of land surface temperatures, that these urban heat island communities experience temperatures up to 10 to 20 degrees Fahrenheit higher than their greener and more spacious neighbors. So among CHEAT's various activities, which you can learn about on our website, linked in the slides, is our Photovoice project, where we sought to learn about residents' experiences coping with heat with a lens toward action. So Photovoice is well suited for this because it is a participatory action research method that engages participants in the use of storytelling through photography. Um, so this Photovoice project involved working with a group of about 12 residents over the course of weekly meetings through the summer of 2021, and it culminated in um, sharing publicly our findings, photos, captions, calls to action through a public exhibit. You can see here the gallery opening at Chelsea City Hall and a report with all the findings, photos, calls to action, which we shared with the community and decision makers. And here you can see an example of one of the themes from this project. There are 4 themes in total. This one is about tree inequity, called Here, Where Are the Trees? Here Are the Trees. And you can see here in these photos from Susanna, contrast between an area lacking trees burdened by other environmental factors, um, pollution and noise, and in contrast with a greener, wealthier neighborhood, as well as calls to action, which include a call for more tree planting, especially in public areas. So you can see the full report linked here, as well as the virtual gallery. So that brings us to my urban internship. Um, Once this active part of Photovoice was over, we recognized that there was an opportunity and a need for communicating these issues and findings to a broader audience, specifically on our project as a way to show how participatory action research can be used to center residents' needs in decision-making on climate adaptation. So I was fortunate to connect with Juan at UCS, who's an expert in extreme heat, environmental justice, and science communication. And I've enjoyed working with him and have been learning a lot in the process of developing a guest blog post for the UCS Science Network, which will hopefully be available online pretty soon, as we're just now wrapping up the editing process. So I'm looking forward to talking with you all soon and happy to share more. And just acknowledgement of all the CHEAT team members, and of course, our residents and participants. Thank you.